Ang challenge natin ngayon ay all answers starts with letter E. Okay? Okay! Panalo lang 100 pesos. The direction toward the point of the horizon where the sun rises at the equinoxes. On the right hand side of a person facing north, or the point on the horizon itself. Go. Earth, mali. Eclipse, mali. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ha? Egg, mali. East, tama, east. Next. Divina. Madali lang to. Also known as aubergine is a fruit in the nightshade family. Other edible nightshades include tomatoes, potatoes, and bell peppers. Go. Eggplant. Oh, galing ah. Next. The ability to do work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Di alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot.
Exercise.
Mali. Ha? Earn, mali. 5, 4, 3, di alam. The ability to do work. Madali lang yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, di alam. Ha? Energy. Tama, energy. Madali lang to. A form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles. Ala? Electric. Mali. Go, ikaw. 5, 4, di alam. Ikaw, Jeno. Laksan mo.
Electricity.
Tama, electricity. Tama. Next. Any of various large day-flying, sharp-eyed birds of prey with a powerful flight that are related to the hawk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam, mali. Di alam. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Di alam. Ikaw. Eagle. Tama, eagle. Maika, madali lang to. The largest living land animals. Go. Elephant. Divina. A snake-like fish with a slender, elongated body and poorly developed fins. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, ehas. Ikaw. Il. Tama, il. 100. Il. An object, typically a piece of soft rubber or plastic used to rub out something written. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sagot. Hindi alam. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Envelope daw kami dyan.
Mali. Envelope. Ikaw. Hindi alam. Ikaw. Uy. Ikaw, Jeno. Ice. Letter I nga. Ice. Ikaw. Elasticity. Mali. Ikaw. An object, typically a piece of rubber or plastic used to rub out something written. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Electric, mali. Ikaw. Sagot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Sagot. Brush, mali. Ikaw. Elastic, mali. Ikaw. Divina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam. Ikaw. Ha? Di alam. Eraser. Tama, eraser. Message. distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via a network. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Dalam. Image. Mali. Ayun eh. Ikaw. Ala? Email. Tama. Email. Email. 100. Madali lang to. The result of sudden movement along faults within the earth. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Elements. Mali. Ano na? Hoy, ay ka. Mag-try ka. 5, 4, letter E. 4, 3, ano? Earth. Mali. Earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3. Di alam. Ulitin ko yung tanong. The result of sudden movement along faults within the earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Exercise. Mali. Ikaw. Ecuador. Mali. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Mali. Ikaw. 5, 4. Hindi alam. Equator. Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. Earthquake. Tama. Earthquake. Aloy, makinig. A person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Madali lang yan. Hindi alam. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam. Ikaw. Equipment. Mali. Ikaw. East. Mali. East. Ikaw. Ikaw. Ulitin ko yung tanong. A person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. Madali lang yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam, ikaw. Engineer. Tama, engineer. A serious, unexpected, and often dangerous situation requiring immediate action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Prinsesa, ikaw. 5, ice. Mali, ice. Ikaw. 5. Accident. Ano? Accident. Letter E nga eh. Ikaw. 5, 4. Emergency. Tama. Emergency. 100. Last 3. Our organ of vision. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Esophagus. Mali. Ikaw. Ice. Used to enclose a letter or document. Madali lang yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Equipment. Mali. 5, 4, 3. A flat paper container with a sealable flap used to enclose a letter or document. 5. Envelope. Tama. Envelope. Last one. Extremely good. Outstanding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Di alam. Next. Entertain. Mali. Extremely good. Outstanding. Elements na kayo. Elements. Ikaw. Di alam. 5. Hindi alam. Extraordinary. Mali. Exercise. Mali. Extremely good. Outstanding. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extreme. Mali. Excellent. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.